Imagine launching a startup with a powerful AI as your co-founder, accelerating your journey from idea to reality faster than ever before.
AI will pretty much touch everything we do. It's more likely to be correct and grounded in reality. Talk to the AI about how to do better. It's a very deep philosophical conversation. Yeah. It's a bit above my pay grade.
In this video, we're diving into the groundbreaking ways entrepreneurs are using generative AI to transform their businesses, overcoming challenges, and scaling with unprecedented speed. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or just curious about the future of innovation, stick around to discover how AI is rewriting the rules of startups and why this could be the game changer you've been waiting for. In the world of entrepreneurship, innovation is key. But what happens when innovation meets cutting-edge technology? At Carnegie Mellon University, a professor has been teaching entrepreneurship for over a decade. But this year, something remarkable happened. Students made unprecedented progress, and the secret ingredient? Generative AI. In this video, we'll explore how generative AI is transforming the way startups are created and scaled, giving entrepreneurs new tools to bring their ideas to life faster and more efficiently than ever before. Entrepreneurship professor Sean Amirati has been guiding students through the startup process for over 14 years. This year, he noticed something extraordinary. His students were making progress at a pace he had never seen before. The reason? For the first time, Amirati encouraged his students to use generative AI as part of their process, advising them to think of it as their co-founder. With tools like ChatGPT, GitHub Copilot, and Floweyes AI, students tackled tasks such as marketing, coding, product development, and customer recruitment with remarkable speed and efficiency. By the end of the semester, venture capitalists were taking notice, flocking to Carnegie Mellon's campus to see these AI-boosted startups in action. The excitement was palpable, reminiscent of the mid-2000s, when cloud computing and mobile technology were revolutionizing innovation. Generative AI, Amirati believes, has the potential to change the landscape of entrepreneurship by an order of magnitude. The impact of generative AI on startups is not just theoretical, it's already happening. Entrepreneurs are leveraging AI to handle complex tasks that would have previously required expensive expertise. For instance, Stephen Bright, an emergency room doctor from Golden, Colorado, had an idea for a business called Skittens, which makes colorful coverings for mittens. But like many first-time entrepreneurs, he didn't know where to start. Bright turned to ChatGPT, initially using it to answer basic questions, and later relying on it for more complex tasks like creating customer surveys, translating patent documents, and understanding legal agreements. While his company is still in its early stages, Bright credits AI with giving him the confidence to move forward without the need for costly legal or consulting services. Bright's experience is not unique. Entrepreneurs across various industries are using generative AI to write code, understand legal documents, create social media content, and even manage payroll. The result? Startups are getting off the ground faster and more efficiently, paving the way for job growth and economic resilience. The implications of generative AI for entrepreneurship are profound. Startups have always been a crucial driver of job growth and economic innovation. By helping entrepreneurs bring their ideas to market more quickly, AI is contributing to higher productivity, one of the key promises of this technology. According to research by the National Bureau of Economic Research, newer businesses are more inclined to experiment with AI, seeing it as a general-purpose technology that is both accessible and powerful. Gusto, a small business payroll and benefits platform, found that about a fifth of the businesses created last year were using generative AI for tasks like market research, contract reviews, and bookkeeping. As Liz Wilkie, principal economist at Gusto, suggests, this could transform the startup landscape, allowing businesses to reach profitability and scale more quickly and with greater stability. Jamie Stephen, an entrepreneur from Greenwater, Washington, is a prime example. He used generative AI to learn the basics of running a business, asking ChatGPT questions about startup equity, payroll, and more. While AI sometimes produced questionable answers, its ability to provide quick summaries helped Stephen feel more prepared before consulting with experts. Stephen and his engineers also used GitHub Copilot to write code for their app, Orb.net, which monitors internet connection quality. This AI assistance was instrumental in building the business quickly. Stephen has since raised $700,000 from angel investors and hired several employees, with plans to launch the app publicly soon. One of the most significant changes we're seeing is the boom in AI-related startups. Investors are pouring billions into these ventures, recognizing the potential for job creation, payroll growth, and revenue generation. Eric Noyes, an entrepreneurship professor at Babson College, likens generative AI to a bootstrapping technology that allows entrepreneurs to multiply their intelligence cheaply. In essence, AI is enabling startups to do more with less. For E. Darren Liddell, who founded My Money Story, a financial coaching company for people of color with lower incomes, generative AI has been a game changer. Liddell used AI to automate the process of pairing users in his program, saving time and reducing the need for additional staff. This efficiency is particularly valuable for startups operating on tight budgets, where every dollar counts. As we move forward, it's clear that generative AI will continue to reshape the startup landscape. Entrepreneurs are no longer limited by a lack of resources or expertise. AI provides the tools to overcome these barriers, accelerating innovation and creating new opportunities for growth. Generative AI is not just a tool, it's a catalyst for the next wave of entrepreneurship. By lowering the barriers to entry and speeding up the process of innovation, AI is helping to create a more dynamic and resilient economy. As we've seen, the future of startups is bright and AI is at the forefront of this transformation. Stay tuned to see how these technologies continue to evolve and impact the world of business. Thank you for watching. For more insights into AI and entrepreneurship, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.